Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner looking to get started, then this video is going to help you out. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy that six-figure earners are using to make money with affiliate marketing. But before I get into this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, if you're ready to start learning how to make money with affiliate marketing, then hit the like button. So let me first start off by explaining what affiliate marketing is. So basically, the way it works is that you get paid every time that you refer people to another person's product. So you're going to be promoting people's product online through a specific link that's coded to you directly. So whenever somebody clicks on your product or on your link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then that's when you make a commission. And you can promote almost any product as an affiliate product. All you have to do is join an affiliate program. And I'm going to be talking about that in a little bit more detail later on in this video. But first, let me start off by explaining what you need to get started with affiliate marketing. So the first thing that you need is you need to pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. So it can be any niche that you want to choose. It can be the make money online niche, the weight loss niche, the tech and gadget niche, the relationship niche. Any of these niches are good niches to go with. I mean, it doesn't even have to be these ones. It can be any one that you choose to go with. But what I advise for you to do when picking a niche is to go with one that you're really passionate about. Now, the reason why I say this is because you're going to be creating content based around this niche. So if you're not passionate about the niche that you pick, you're just in it for the money because you see a lot of people are making money with this niche, then chances are you're going to end up quitting because you're not going to see the results that you're expecting to see right away. Because I know most people who get started with affiliate marketing, they expect to become rich overnight, or maybe in a month they think they're going to make massive success. And to be honest with you guys, it doesn't work like that. This is pretty much a business. This is a business model that you need to learn. So it's going to take some trial and error before you start to get the hang of it. Especially if you're completely new. So that's why I recommend you pick a niche that you're really passionate about. So first, start off thinking about something that you can see yourself doing maybe a year down the line, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, if you're really serious about creating a business with affiliate marketing. Okay, so once you pick a niche, the next thing that you need to do is pick a program. So if you're wondering where to get started with an affiliate program, there's free programs out there that you can sign up with today. For example, there's ClickBank and then there's Amazon Associates. So like I just mentioned, they're both free to sign up, and any product that you can think of, you can promote as an affiliate product. So whatever niche that you're in, chances are you're going to find an affiliate product to promote that's related to that niche. Because when you promote a product, it has to be related to the niche that you're in, or else you're not really going to make any sales. And if you guys want my personal recommendation of an affiliate program that you can get started with, you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so once we picked our niche, you picked the program, the next thing you need to do is what I mentioned earlier, is to pick a product. So if you're going to be going with ClickBank, there's a wide variety of different products that you can go with. They have a whole category on their website based on the different niches, and they have products that you can pick from there. Now, when it comes to ClickBank, it can seem a little bit confusing when it comes to all the variables and understanding what they mean. But I've done a video on that in the past called How to Pick a Product for ClickBank or something like that. I'll leave it in the cards up here or up here if you guys are interested in learning more about that. And if you're going with Amazon Associates, I mean, basically any product that's on Amazon you can promote as an affiliate product. So This brings us to the next thing that we need to do with affiliate marketing is create content. So when I said that you need to pick a niche that you're passionate about, another reason why I said that is because you're going to be creating content based on the niche that you're in. So this is something that you're going to be doing consistently and for the long term if you're looking to create a successful business with affiliate marketing. So let's say, for example, you're in the weight loss niche. You're going to find an affiliate program to sign up with, and you're going to pick a product that's related to weight loss. It can be a weight loss supplement. That's a good way. That's the most common product to promote for the weight loss niche. And then you're going to be creating content based on the weight loss niche. So content that you can create can be YouTube videos. It can be blog articles that you write. It can be a podcast. It can be ebooks. I mean, anything that you can think of where you're creating content based on the niche that you're in is a good way to go. Now, you shouldn't just be putting out random content just for the sake of putting out content out there. You should also be delivering value in the content that you're creating. Yeah, I think I just spelled it wrong. So you should be delivering value in the content that you're creating. Because if you think about it, if you're in the weight loss niche, who are the people who are going to be interested in weight loss? People who are overweight, people who are struggling to lose weight, people who have poor eating habits. So if you can create content where you're addressing a problem that the people in your niche are having, they're going to find value in that. You can create a YouTube video where you're showing cooking recipes that are healthy. You can create a YouTube video where you're showing people exercises that they can do to lose weight, and people are going to resonate with that. So that's why it's important to deliver value in the content that you're creating, because when you do this over time, you're going to start to build up an audience. So that's the next step when you're creating content, is build an audience. People who are consistently getting value from the content that you're putting out there, you're going to start to build up a relationship with them. They're going to start to build trust with you. So when you start to promote your product to them, they're more likely to buy from you as opposed to buying from somebody that they have no idea who they are. So the next thing that you should do is, I don't know if you guys can see this, is use an email software service. So basically what an email software service is a service that allows you to create a landing page and an autoresponder sequence. Because when you get people to buy, because basically when you're promoting a product to somebody online, they don't buy the first time that they see it. People need to be exposed to a product maybe between 5 to 12 times that before they're ready to make a buying decision. So an email software services are going to help you make more sales, because I'm going to give you guys a quick example. If you're promoting a product, let's say this is your landing page right here. And most landing pages are available through the email software services. Let's say you're promoting a weight loss product. People are going to come to this page. They're going to see this product right here. They're going to enter in their email, and they're going to click the button, which is going to take them to the next page, which is a sales page, where they're going to see the weight loss product that you're promoting to them. But most likely, the first time they see it, they're going to be like, nah, I don't want it. I mean, I don't know too much information about it, so I'm not going to buy it. But what an email software service is going to help you do is going to help you make sales by sending automated emails to the people who sign up to your landing page. So instead of having them directly coming to the sales page from your landing page, you're going to have them they're going to be on your email list, and now they're going to be receiving your autoresponder emails. So one tip when creating autoresponder emails is that you should be delivering value based on the niche that you're in, just like in the content that you're creating. So somebody comes to your landing page, they're going to be redirected to your autoresponder email, where you can just welcome them, tell them thank you for signing up to my email list. I'm going to be delivering valuable content to help you lose weight and live a healthier and better lifestyle. and just create content, share tips with them on how to lose weight, how to eat healthier. And at the end of your emails, you're going to give them a call to action simply by saying, if you're ready to lose weight and live a better life, then click this link here. And you have them click the link, or if they click the link, it's going to redirect them to this landing page right here. And you're going to keep on doing this over and over and over in all of your emails. And this is how you're going to make the majority of your sales with affiliate marketing, is through email. And this is where we come to our last step, is by selling to your audience. Because as I mentioned, once you start creating content on a consistent basis where you're addressing a problem that people are having in your niche, they're going to start to build trust with you, as I mentioned. And it's going to be a lot easier to sell your affiliate product to them. And this doesn't just apply to affiliate marketing. This applies to any kind of business, whether you're selling your own products, your own services, or whatever. So I hope you guys learned something new if you're completely new to affiliate marketing. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you guys want to learn more information about affiliate marketing, you can check out the free ebook download in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, where I discuss a little bit further in detail on how you can start earning money with affiliate marketing. So I recommend you guys check that out if you're looking to get started. But other than that, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.